Alright, what's going on? It's Kevin Long here at Empire. I'm the executive chef for Big Night Entertainment Group. We're going to make a dumpling filling today. This is a pork dumpling filling. This is a fairly standard sort of process with some interesting stuff in here. This is we start with a base of ground pork. You want a pork with a little bit of fat to it, and basically for a kind of Szechuan style dumpling filling, we're going to go pretty bold flavors here. So this is just a little bit, about 12 ounces of pork, a little shy of a pound. I'm going to kind of eyeball this, but this is it's really about the technique. It's really about the feel for it. This is actually some coarsely ground pork. We're going to season with a little salt. It's going to take a little bit of that salt to kind of bring it up. Some chopped scallions, really kind of the more the better here. A little bit of chopped garlic, and then some ginger, and again some coarsely chopped ginger. I'm going to add like 1 beaten egg to this mixture. It's going to help to bind it, and then sort of when I talk about kind of the technique here, you add a little bit of water. And this is just one of those things in Chinese cooking. You see this a lot with proteins, different proteins in marinades and fillings. The water's going to give you that that texture of, like, if you ever have a hamburger that's maybe the patty's packed a little too tight, and it gets really, really dense and kind of dry. This is really going to kind of help that along, so that this doesn't get that too dense flavor. You want to get really right in there. Don't be scared to incorporate everything. If anybody's ever made dumplings or raviolis at home, you know that it's a kind of a labor of love. It's very fun, and obviously if they come out great, they're delicious. So this filling can get mixed up. There's really not a lot of need to have it sit. This is obviously something that you could do ahead if you wanted. You see there that it's nice and well incorporated. It's got a nice kind of smooth texture to it. So this is our handmade dumplings with our Szechuan style pork dumpling filling. These are going to get boiled first. You could pan fry them afterwards, or serve them in a broth would be your two kind of popular ways. You could actually steam these. The easiest way is to boil them. They need to boil actually for a little while. They probably go in for about 10 minutes to cook them through. Serve them in a nice flavorful broth, or if you're feeling a little more ambitious, go right into a pan with a little bit of oil. Be very careful mixing the moist kind of dumplings in with that oil. Pan fry them up nice and crispy. But a nice pre-cook for about 10 minutes. Cook them through, beautiful and tender, ready to go.